Hi children. So today our unit is about humor. So in this we'll be having three lessons. One is poem and the other two are the prose. So generally humor means, according to us, it is very important human behavior. So what is a teacher? Humor is very important behavior, you might have been thinking. Nothing very complicated, it's just very simple thing I would like to tell you. So generally nowadays people are very busy with their lives, and because of their busy they are very much stressed and they are having lot of tensions because daily routine life, they have to wake up, they have to go to their work and all this. When they return back, because of this traffic jam and many more responsibilities also, they feel like lot of stress even in their workplace and even when they come back home. So whenever, immediately when your parents, if they are working, generally parents are working, suppose in some families father and mother will be working, so immediately when they are coming home, immediately if you go and rush and you would like to disturb them, immediately you will be getting like, don't disturb for some time, please leave us. Why? Because they are very much stressed with the routine life where they are not getting time to spend with one another, even not with the families, and very rare with the friends. Friends in general is, and workplace just for minutes. Then when they come back there, even they couldn't know who the neighbor is. Sometimes even the people are so much engaged with their lives and their lifestyle. So when we talk about all these things, the only thing which makes us happy is whenever we are in, like, we are stressed, we want to get relaxed. The one thing is we go and listen to the music. We switch on to the music. And the other is we love to watch the comedy shows. Your favorite comedians and the funny images. So immediately when you see, automatically, unknowingly, you can see the smile on your face and the happiness will be found. So this is the miracle thing what happens to us. And how is that possible? Because our body responds, our brain responds to the things which makes us feel happy. Generally when you have friends also, you will like to choose the persons who will always try to keep you happy in school, in your classroom. The children who are very calm and the children who speak very less, you people don't like to be with them always. Not all the children, maybe few. Why? Because you wanted to be happy, like cracking jokes on one another and feeling happy and motivating, like, with one another. That makes you confident also. So rather than worrying the whole day which teacher will come, what would be the next task and what should we do, they happily enjoy by cracking jokes and having funny things and all. So you might have been, when it comes to a question like, even I could ask you that who is your favorite comedian and why you really like them, and what you can things, what makes you happy, like when you watch such the shows or videos, whatever it may be. So the immediate thing is you can keep yourself happy and you can give lot of energy. So it was like a general thing when we have come across this pandemic situation. Nowadays we have come to know that if you are stressed for nearly 1 minute, the impact will be for hours together. So the stress what you give for 1 hour, 1 minute, that leads to hours. So in order to avoid such things, what we will do, immediately we'll go for the comedy shows. We'll try to watch the cartoons, because cartoons and all the funny characters what we see, and we can enjoy a lot of things. So because of that only, nowadays people are very busy seeing, watching the WhatsApp, and they're busy in that also. Throughout the things like the day, they'll be circulating the videos which are very funny, which makes you very happy, which makes you, at least for minutes, it will make you like, this is something very new, or something, this is very funny, we can share. And the thing will be circulated to all your near and dear, and that makes you happy. Because being humorous is also the gift given by the God, and it is the general human behavior for everyone. Everyone will laugh. Nobody's that like, everyone are freezed and like stones. Everyone will react to the jokes. Everyone will react to the funny images. Everyone will react to all the things which makes you to be happy. So humor plays a vital role in this one, and because laughter is a medicine to us, like, which boosts up our body. So when we are very much stressed, so whenever we observe such things like which makes us happy, the jokes and cracking jokes at one another and listening to the jokes and watching the shows which are very funny and which takes place, all these things when we observe, definitely we it keeps our mind refreshed. So humor is very much important, and our topic is about that one, and the remaining things we'll be knowing in our 1A unit in the next class.